Good morning. I am Dr. Sundara Vadivel. In this lecture, I am going to discuss the development procedure for a cuboid. So, we are going to make a box of this kind using paper. Using the development concept, we are going to fabricate a box of this kind. The dimensions of the box are 180 mm height, and this side 50 mm, this is 50 mm, and this one is 35 mm. So the size is 180 by 50 by 35. So the procedure is, first we have to draw the orthographic projection for the box, that is the front view and the top view. So in the front view, that 180 by 50 will be visible. So this size is 180 and this dimension is 50. So I am drawing a box for 180 by 50 in the elevation, and in the top view we will be able to see 50 by 35, box for 50 by 35. So this one is the top view. In the top view we will be able to see 50 by 35, and in the front view, in the elevation, 180 by 50 we will be able to see. So the procedure for drawing this elevation and top view and all we could have discussed in the earlier uh, topics in projections of solid. Then after doing that, what we have to do is we have to project the we have to extend the top base, a line for the top base and a line for the bottom base, and from that we have to give the names for the points. For example, what I am taking is, for the top surface I am keeping the name as P, Q, R and S. This side is S. So when we see from the front side, this P and Q will be visible and R and S will be hidden. That's what P dash and Q dash are outside brackets and R dash and S dash are inside brackets. Inside brackets means it is not visible in the front view. So this is the front view. Okay. Similarly, in the bottom base we have A, B, C, D. So A, B will be visible and C, D will be hidden. Right. Okay. So extend the top base and the bottom base. So you will get two parallel line. That's what this is called as parallel line development. Okay. So what we have to do is we have to assume that we are cutting the edge. Initially, you just assume that we are cutting the edge PA and we are unwinding it or unfolding it. So when we are unfolding it, what happens? We will get one line. So this is 50 mm line and this one is 35 mm line. 50, 35. So two 50 mm lines and two 35 mm lines we will get for both bottom base as well as top base. So I am cutting the edge PA and I am unfolding it. So this is the edge PA. So if I cut the edge PA, what happens? In both the ends we will get PA, because I am cutting the edge PA. So in this end as well as in this end we will have PA. So first I am marking the point A. So I will get A, then B, then after that C, D, and the last point will be A. A, B, C, D, A. Similarly, here P, Q, R, S, P. So like that, I will get all the 5 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then for if we need to have the lid for the top base and bottom base, we have to go for this sort of box. So the size of the box will be 50 mm by 35 mm. The same rectangle we have to form here for the box. After that, we have to cut it. We have to cut that surface as shown here. PQ or SP. Similarly ABCDA, and the lid for the top and bottom ABCD as well as PQRS. We have to cut it. And how to fold this? In all these lines represents the edges, the folding edges. So fold it according to these lines like this. So finally we will get the box like this. Both the top and bottom lid will be in this way. So this is the development for a cuboid, that is the box. So this is the box what we are planning to make, and this one is the original box, and this one is the developed box. Okay, and about title block. So all the diagram, all the drawing sheet should have a title block of this kind. So the important things you have to note here is the scale, title of the diagram, dimensions, and all dimensions are in mm. All the times we need not to mark the dimension, that is 180 mm, 55 mm, 30 mm and all we need not to mark. Here itself we can mark all dimensions are in mm, and the maker's name. So these are the data. Okay, thank you.